Okay guys, so here we are in Excel and we're going to look at a nice little feature called custom views. Now I must admit I have never really used it before. I've never had the need to, but you might. Who knows? I don't know. But it's good to know about it because it's in our curriculum. So here we go. Custom views is very easy. It's just saving different settings on different views in your worksheet. Let me explain. Okay, so here we have a particular view where I've got 100% zoom. Okay, I've got 51 rows there. I've got some information on different people. Okay, they're not real people, so just relax. They're just fake, like everyone on Instagram. Oh, okay, sorry. That was a bad joke. Right, back to custom views. So we go to view. Okay, and let's stick with this view as a default view. So I'm going to click on custom views, okay, and I'm going to say add, and I'm going to call this one default. So that's the default view. Now, this is what is quite nice about this, because I can include the print settings and any hidden rows, columns, and filter settings, which is very nice. I'll show you how we're going to mess around with this in a minute. Click OK, done. Right, so that's saved as a custom view. That's default. Now watch this. I'm going to zoom in a little, and I'm going to resize that column there, and I'm going to just zoom in just a little more. Okay, so now I'm on 145% zoom, and let's say that I'm just going to freeze this top row. Do you remember how to do that, guys? In the view tab, and it was freeze panes, freeze the top row. There you go. Okay, just go down to the bottom there. So let's say there. Okay, the last record in this list. Now I'm going to save this as another view, and then I'll show you how we switch between them. So I'm going to go to custom views, and let's add this one, and we'll call this one final row. Final row. Click OK. There we go. So now the settings have been saved as final row. So now watch this. If I go to custom views, there's default, there's final row. I'm going to click on default, and I'm going to say show. Show. It switches to that view that we saved it as. So let's switch back to the other one. So custom views, go over there, final row, show. There it is. That's pretty handy. How about columns? Like let's hide this one, and we'll hide the ID column, for example. Let's go to custom views, and that was final row. So let's do add, and we'll do final row no ID. Okay, final row no ID. I'm going to keep everything contained there as well, or included I should say. Okay, cool. So let's see what happens now. If I go to custom views, final row, show, you can see that column D is not hidden, visible. Okay. If I switch to custom views and I go to final row, no ID, you're going to see column D is going to disappear. Cool. Custom views, back to the default view, show, and there you go. Custom views in Microsoft Excel. Actually pretty handy. And now that I've just done this video, I can think of a whole whack of uses in some of my mark sheets that I create using custom views. I like it.